I want to introduce you to ABii. ABii is a robotic tutor that you can use in your classroom. She helps students learn and practice academic skills that are aligned with what you're teaching. And she has a variety of content for grade level K through fifth grade. So today, I want to show you how you can use ABii in your classroom to help support your students. And the best part is that there's no extra work or added stress for you. So after teaching a main lesson, I could pull students to my table and work with me. Then I could also send students to ABii's table and work with her. And depending on the number of ABiis that you have in your classroom, you could have a lot more students participating in small groups. Also, ABii's curriculum is designed so that teachers can sort through her lessons by standard or by unit. And that way, it's really easy to find the lessons that match up with what you're teaching in your lesson plan. For example, when I'm teaching geometry, in that week, I might have several lessons covering one or two standards. In that case, I can let my students do the lessons on ABii that are related. For example, I really love the yard sale lesson where they work on reasoning and identifying shapes. And when I send my students over to work with ABii, I can really trust that they're getting great quality instruction. All of ABii's lessons are designed by teachers just like you and me, and that they're really well made. I won't need to answer a lot of questions for my students about how to complete the lesson because they're very intuitive and designed in a step-by-step process so that students can follow the learning progression on their own. Also, just like a classroom teacher, ABii and her programming can tell when a student isn't paying attention. Once ABii is paired with a computer, the computer's camera focuses on the student's face, and they can tell when a student is looking away or not paying attention for an extended period of time. And then ABii will use her cute personality and some brain breaks and movement to try to get the student engaged again, just like we would in our own class. As classroom teachers, we know that there's a wide range of abilities within our room. So ABii can help with that too, because all of her lessons are accessible in one place. So the teacher can assign what a student needs. If you're teaching geometry and your student is struggling, you can drop back to a lower level and let them work on that to build them up. Or if you have students that are really mastering the content and ready to move on, you can assign additional lessons for them to work more with ABii, and then they can grow from there. So you don't have to spend hours and hours looking for worksheets to support your struggling students or reinforce concepts. You can just find it all in ABii's lessons. Another really important part of using ABii in your classroom is the data. So you can get student data or whole class data. You can also get the information on students' concentration or their performance in the lesson. So these will be printed out as PDFs and you can view the spreadsheet directly from your account with ABii. So, beyond all of these wonderful aspects of ABii's instruction and tutoring, she also provides something else to the classroom. This year, as soon as I revealed ABii to my students, they wanted to know more about her. They wanted to know more about who she was. And so they started asking me, can I write a letter to ABii? Can I draw a cartoon with a story about ABii during their free work time? Which I thought was amazing. And then also, I started having 5-minute ABii tickets as rewards, and my students loved them. So she really became a focal part of our classroom. So if you think ABii might be right for your classroom, then click on the link below to find out more information. I really hope to see you and ABii in the classroom soon. Bye. Thank you.